Good morning, students. Hope all of you are doing well. Uh, Already I discussed about the force and friction chapter, but today I will show you one of the activity of force. So already students, you know that force is a two types: contact force and non-contact force. So contact force are muscular force and frictional force, and non-contact force are gravitational force, electrostatic force, magnetic force. Okay, so actually as I told you as before, I don't have a magnet in my house, so that's why I cannot show that magnetic force. So today I will decide you to show you electrostatic force. So electrostatic force already you know. For this, actually for doing that experiment, actually we need some piece of paper. So already I have cut it here, some piece of paper. And for this, actually if you take a ruler, plastic ruler, so if you want you can take plastic ruler or comb. If you have at your home the plastic comb, that will be great. Okay, so for this, actually for doing this practical, actually you have to take the plastic ruler and rub your hair, and rub that plastic ruler to your dry hair. So at first the plastic ruler is a electrical neutral. Okay, because before rubbing it behaves like a electrical neutral, but when you rubbing, that some few negative charge is transferred from your dry hair to that to the ruler, plastic ruler. That's why that we will see that plastic ruler is when after rubbing your dry hair, that plastic ruler attracts some piece of paper. So those things actually called the electrostatic force. So electrostatic force, what is that? The definition already we learned: the force exerted by a charged body on after charged on uncharged body is known as electrostatic force. So you see here. So I'm rubbing, start to rub this. My hair is not so dry, but I'm trying to do it this. If you this practical is will be better if you after doing the shampoo, your after dry your hair, if you do this practical, that will be much better. So that will works good, but at this moment actually my hair is not so dry because of the sweat, actually. So that's why I'm trying to do this. But for this, actually you have to take that what type of precaution. You have to take your hair dry, and after and start you rubbing. So at first this plastic ruler is behaves like electrical neutral, but when I'm rubbing, see, so it's some charge negative charge is transferred from the to dye hair to that plastic ruler. Then you start holding this one. So it's not works properly because of that my hair is not so dry. So because of that, so the plastic ruler was electrical neutral before rubbing, but when it was rubbed against dry hair, some of the negative charges from the hair to got transferred to the ruler become negatively charged. So now at this moment is my ruler is the negatively charged. When the charged ruler was brought near the uncharged bits of paper, so these papers are uncharged bits of paper. So when I'm putting holding this negatively charged ruler on that uncharged bits of paper, that is there it attract the opposite charges, because we know that always the negative charge is attract the positive charges. So because it is that negative charge and these are the uncharged, so that's why that opposite charges are attracted on the paper pieces towards it. This made the paper pieces move up and stick to the ruler. Okay, so this is actually the practical. So for this, actually I told you, for this you need some piece of paper. You please do it your home and take a plastic ruler, and of course your hair should be dry. Okay, because if your hair is oily or sticky little bit, that it will not works. So that is better if you do this practical by to dye your hair. That will be grateful to this, because these things actually is available in our house. And you know that this actually when we are doing comb on our silky hair, that time sometimes the silky hair is also attracted by the comb. So these things already is sometimes is happen with us. So this is also that same cause of that electrostatic force, because sometimes it that plastic comb will after rubbing, after few times is rubbing your dry hair, so that before rubbing it was a electrical neuter, but after rubbing it is negatively charged, and your hair is a uncharged, so that's why that the negative charge is attracted by the positive charge, and that's why the electrostatic force appears over there. So you please do it in your home. So because actually I cannot show you properly, because of that my hair is not so dry, and because of that sweat actually I cannot show it properly. So you please do it, and let me know it will works or not. Okay, thank you students, bye.